Okay, how can you make a simple landing page? Just been working on this today, just the starts of it, quite basic. I've got a nice retro image in the background, which I liked. I've been making them out of CSS. This is my favourite one. So I wanted like a little block inside, little sort of content section, and I put an avatar, a title, and some text on the right. It's the beginnings of one. So how could you make yourself a simple landing page? Let's have a look. Okay, first of all, style type CSS. Okay, I'm using CSS here. So the body section, I've got a background image. Background image, URL, images in my images folder. Background size, cover. Background attachment, fix. So that covers the background. I've done a video on that. So this one covers the background. Inside, dot content, another section, which is white, 50% width, padding, has a padding and a margin, and that's here. That's attached to this rule, div class content. Div class content, and that's the closing div. So that content there has a class rule attached to it of background white, width 50%, so on and so on. So that's in the middle. Okay? That's in the middle. Let's just take a look at that. Keeps asking me if I want to translate the page, because I'm using the lorem ipsum there. So, background image, this retro image I'm using. Full screen, all the way over, like you see these landing pages by card and so forth. There is a full screen. So it'll be the same on mobile view or desktop view. In the middle, nice content box. I put it as a white background. Choose what colour you want. And there's the avatar. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so I put the image in, the content, give it a class rule of circle, and there's the class rule, border radius 50%. That makes it round. That makes the image round. Without that, it would be like a square. Okay, align left, the image is then aligned to the left. You could have it on the right or whatever. I want it on the left. I want it to be slightly different than just the normal text underneath. So there's all the text that I'm going to change, which will be to the right, the aligned left image, and a H1 underneath, which gives it a title, H1, header 1. That gives it a nice little title. So that's the beginning of a very simple landing page. That's all I need. Okay, so for that effect, let's begin this part 1, and let's preview this again. So there you are, rounded image to the left. Probably best have to give that a space or something. And there's the header. Could possibly round the corners on this section. We'll look at that later on. So let's minimize and then have another look at the code. Okay.